The alarm rings softly. Morning light comes through the window. A new day is starting in the United States. This is the quiet moment before work, before school, before the rush. This is the best time to wake up your English. Calm, fresh, simple. This morning we will practice English together as your day begins. Take a slow breath. You have time. You are ready. Now listen carefully. Morning English is clear English. Your mind is fresh. Your body is waking up. This is when simple words feel easy. We will practice real English that people use every morning in American life. You can listen, you can repeat, you can imagine each step of your morning. Take your time. Let's begin with waking up. You open your eyes. You say, I am awake. Repeat after me. I am awake. Good. You can also say, I just woke up. Repeat slowly. I just woke up. Or, it's morning. Repeat. It's morning. These are very common morning words. Now imagine you look at the clock. You say, it's early. Repeat. It's early. Or, it's late. Repeat. It's late. Or, I need to get up. Repeat slowly. I need to get up. These sentences are very natural. Let's continue. You get out of bed. You stretch your arms. You say, I am stretching. Repeat. I am stretching. Or, I feel sleepy. Repeat. I feel sleepy. Or, I need coffee. Repeat slowly. I need coffee. Many people say this in the morning. Now imagine you go to the bathroom. You say, I am brushing my teeth. Repeat. I am brushing my teeth. Or, I am washing my face. Repeat. I am washing my face. Or, I am getting ready. Repeat slowly. I am getting ready. Now listen carefully. In the morning, people speak softly at first. Short sentences are normal. You do not need long words. Simple English is perfect. Let's continue. You look in the mirror. You say, I look tired. Repeat. I look tired. Or, I look okay. Repeat. I look okay. Or, I need to wake up. Repeat slowly. I need to wake up. Now imagine someone else is at home. They say, good morning. Repeat. Good morning. You answer, good morning. Repeat again. Good morning. Or you can say, morning. Repeat. Morning. This is very common in American English. They may ask, how did you sleep? Repeat. How did you sleep? You can answer, I slept well. Repeat. I slept well. Or, not very well. Repeat. Not very well. Or, I didn't sleep much. Repeat slowly. I didn't sleep much. Let's continue. You think about your day. You say, I have work today. Repeat. I have work today. Or, I have school today. Repeat. I have school today. Or, I am busy today. Repeat slowly. I am busy today. Now imagine breakfast time. Someone asks, what do you want for breakfast? Repeat. What do you want for breakfast? You can answer, I don't know yet. Repeat. I don't know yet. Or, something simple. Repeat slowly. Something simple. Or, just coffee. Repeat. Just coffee. Now imagine you are making breakfast. You say, I am making breakfast. Repeat. I am making breakfast. Or, I am making coffee. Repeat. I am making coffee. Or, I am heating food. Repeat slowly. I am heating food. Someone may ask, do you want eggs? Repeat. Do you want eggs? You can say, yes, please. Repeat. Yes, please. Or, no, thank you. Repeat. No, thank you. Polite and easy. Let's continue. You sit down to eat. You say, let's eat. Repeat. Let's eat. Or, breakfast is ready. Repeat. Breakfast is ready. During breakfast, people speak simply. They may say, this is good. Repeat. This is good. Or, This tastes good. Repeat slowly. This tastes good. Now imagine you finish eating. You say, I'm full. Repeat, I'm full. Or, that was enough. Repeat, that was enough. Or, I need to hurry. Repeat slowly, I need to hurry. Morning time can be busy. Let's move on. You check your phone. You say, I am checking my messages. Repeat, I am checking my messages. Or, I am checking the time. Repeat, I am checking the time. Or, I am checking my email. Repeat slowly, I am checking my email. Now imagine you are getting dressed. You say, I am getting dressed. Repeat, I am getting dressed. Or, I need to choose my clothes. Repeat, I need to choose my clothes. Or, I need to get ready fast. Repeat slowly, I need to get ready fast. Someone may say, you're late. Repeat, you're late. You can answer, I know. Repeat, I know. Or, I'm almost ready. Repeat slowly, I'm almost ready. These are very common morning phrases. Let's continue. You prepare to leave the house. You say, I am leaving now. Repeat, I am leaving now. Or, I need to go. Repeat, I need to go. Or, I will be late. Repeat slowly, I will be late. Someone may say, have a good day. Repeat, have a good day. You answer, you too. Repeat, you too. This is very common in the United States. Now imagine you are outside. You say, it's cold this morning. Repeat, it's cold this morning. Or, it's warm today. Repeat, it's warm today. Or, it's nice outside. Repeat slowly, it's nice outside. Let's continue with transportation. You say, I am waiting for the bus. Repeat, I am waiting for the bus. Or, I am driving to work. Repeat, I am driving to work. Or, I am taking the train. Repeat slowly, I am taking the train. Someone may ask, where are you going? Repeat, where are you going? You can say, I'm going to work. Repeat, I'm going to work. Or, I'm going to school. Repeat, I'm going to school. Or, I'm going to the office. Repeat slowly, I'm going to the office. Now imagine you arrive at work or school. You see someone. You say, good morning. Repeat, good morning. They may say, how are you? Repeat, how are you? You can answer, I'm good. Repeat, I'm good. Or, I'm okay. Repeat, I'm okay. Or, I'm a little tired. Repeat slowly, I'm a little tired. Let's continue. Someone asks, did you have breakfast? Repeat, did you have breakfast? You can say, yes, I did. Repeat, yes, I did. Or, not yet. Repeat, not yet. Or, I had coffee. Repeat slowly, I had coffee. Now imagine starting work or class. You say, I need to focus. Repeat, I need to focus. Or, I need to start work. Repeat, I need to start work. Or, let's begin. Repeat slowly, let's begin. Now listen carefully. Morning English is about starting the day calmly. You do not rush your words. You speak clearly. This helps your confidence all day. Let's continue with simple morning conversations. Someone says, are you busy today? Repeat, are you busy today? You can say, yes, very busy. Repeat, very busy. Or, not too busy. Repeat, not too busy. Or, I'm not sure yet. Repeat slowly. I'm not sure yet. Now imagine a small problem. You say, I forgot my keys. Repeat, I forgot my keys. Or, I forgot my phone. Repeat, I forgot my phone. Or, I need to go back. Repeat slowly, I need to go back. These things happen in the morning. Someone may say, don't worry. Repeat, don't worry. Or, it's okay. Repeat, it's okay. Morning problems are normal. Let's slow down. Take a breath. Feel how English feels in the morning. It feels clean, simple, possible. Now imagine a full morning routine in your life. You wake up, you get ready, you eat breakfast, you leave the house, you greet people, you start your day. All in English. Simple English. Real English. You are not memorizing rules. You are practicing life. This is how English becomes natural. This is how speaking becomes easier. Let's continue a little more. Imagine you are late and you meet someone. You say, sorry, I'm late. Repeat, sorry, I'm late. Or, sorry for being late. Repeat slowly, sorry for being late. People understand this in the morning. Someone may say, no problem. Repeat, no problem. Or, that's okay. Repeat, that's okay. Now imagine planning the day. You say, I have a meeting today. Repeat, I have a meeting today. Or, I have a test today. Repeat, I have a test today. Or, I have a lot to do. Repeat slowly, I have a lot to do. Someone may ask, what time is it? Repeat, what time is it? You can answer, it's 8 o'clock. Repeat, it's 8 o'clock. Or, it's almost 9. Repeat slowly, it's almost 9. Now imagine you feel positive. You say, today will be a good day. Repeat, today will be a good day. Or, I feel ready. Repeat, I feel ready. Or, I will do my best. Repeat slowly, I will do my best. Take another breath. Morning practice like this prepares your mind. When you practice English in the morning, it stays with you all day. Let's gently review the feeling. Calm words, short sentences, clear English. This is enough. Now imagine tomorrow morning. You will wake up again. You will hear English in your mind. You will say simple sentences. You will feel less nervous. This is progress. You are doing something important for yourself. Even a few minutes of morning practice makes a difference. Your confidence grows step by step. Thank you for starting your day with me. I hope this morning practice helped you feel calm and ready. I'll see you again soon with English Teaching Friends. Please subscribe.